Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. I greatly appreciate it. I have for you today, oops, pick it up, my Ipsy, my Boxycharm by Ipsy, and I do get the Boost product each and every month. So, I do have my phone here. Oh, I just shut it hit the wrong button. I do have my phone so I could tell you what products I chose, because do I remember? I mean, I might, because this is relatively recent. I did get my box very quick this month. Boxycharm, Ipsy's theme with Boxycharm is Sunny Days Ahead. Right here, little pamphlet. What's this? Some little instructions for a product. I generally don't do much with that. So, the items that I chose, is this the first one? Nope, that's... I think they chose these. Oh, she's going to start. Patches? No. Be quiet. Please. She's staring right up. She's right below the camera. So the items that they chose for me in my box. First one is the REM Beauty product. And this is Tighten and Brighten. And that's what this little card is for. That REM Glow Serum visibly brightens and firms. Right here. I have quite a few of JLo's products. They're really nice. Would I purchase them again? Probably not. I don't usually buy, anybody that, actress, musician, whatever, whatever their genre is. I stick to the ones that I know that I love that, I'm not sure prices on this, but it is very nice, the products that I do have. I think I have 2 or 3 of her products. I mean, very bougie packaging, it really is. I've seen infomercials. She says she uses her own products, but, who knows, right? What was the other product that they chose? Is it this one? No. Is it this one? Is it this one? It's this one. They chose this, which is the REM Beauty. This is the blurring primer. I did get this in my PR box, so I will share this one because I don't need to have 2. You can hear Miss Patches in the background. So now I can go to my phone. I don't know what, let me just look real fast what my Boost was. Okay. Right here. So the next product that I have in my box right here is from Neogen, and this is Real Hyal Panthenol Serum. It's $38 value. It says this hydrator is so real with this serum. It's packed with vitamins B5, B3, C, and E, and hyaluronic acid to provide deep and long-lasting moisture. So that, I think I've had this before. We'll open it at the bottom. I do believe I've had this before. Maybe not this specific product, but I know I've had Neogen products in the past. I don't really remember what I thought about them, honestly. So this is what it looks like, and this is a dropper right here. And it's like it is more clear than blue, but maybe like a light blue. No. Wait. I'm telling you. She was fine until the camera went on. This is the dog that used to run when the camera went on. Well, now she can't run. So she's just going to whimper the whole time. So I did pick that. Next, I chose from this brand right here, and this is Estina J lip paint, $20. This color is Latte. Vanilla scented lip gloss. So let's give this a shot and see what I think. I love when they smell like watermelon or vanilla even is fine. They have a scent to them. Why not, right? Well, that's pretty. right there. So let's see what this looks like. Let's see if I can really smell vanilla. Oh, you can smell it. It's not overpowering or anything like that. And this is lip. Oh, I'm saying lip gloss. It's a lip paint. So there's the shade right there. That's really pretty. I like that a lot. I don't have anything. I never heard of this brand. Estina J moisturizing lip paint. I don't know if I said gloss. If I did, I'm so sorry. Next is, and I chose these for a specific reason. And there's more of this paper here. These are, I guess the brand is Steel Skin Power Retinol Eye Mask, $25. Not necessarily for me. My oldest niece was, I cannot get these open. I want to show you what they look like. Was looking for eye masks, just all the packs. So you get, how many are in here? Does it tell you? I don't want to. They expire 2027. I think you get 5, right? So they're right here, and these are retinol eye masks. So these will be really nice. You get 5 in the box, I do believe. Is that what it says? Yeah, you get 5 in the box. But she, like I said, she was asking for stuff like this when I gave them a whole bunch of stuff before. So I figured, you know what, I'll order it for her. I might keep one and try it myself, but I'll let her have the rest. And that's fine. And then, what is this other item here? I think this is, I got this with points. So the last item is my Boost right here. And I am a sucker for Glow Recipe. So I got the pomegranate peptide firming serum right here. $49 value. $45. Oops, $45 value there. Almost went the pen. Oh, my nail. Oh, to fix that. I'm telling you, my nails are a mess. I've been going through boxes and folders and files and at the desk and just, oh, there's just so much stuff. Ooh, this is pretty. I like that. This is a pump. That's a nice pump. Ooh, I love Glow Recipe. And this is a nice firming serum. Firming and lifting. I'm all about that. Give that a try. Why not? And then I did get, with points, I'm trying to think where the points product is. The J-Lo brightening and firming serum is $79. I did get a screenshot of that. What else did I not? The primer. I don't think I have a picture of the price of that. But I think my total box was $236. Yeah, I don't have a price for the primer, but in, oh no, let's come over there. I did get this with points right here. And yeah, Lunar Beauty Lip Liner Duo. I did redeem some points. So let's see what this says. Doodle and Blushing. Yeah, so these are the 2 shades. I will swatch them because I will be keeping these. And they are a nice gel. That's pretty. This one is Doodle, I do believe. Right here. Right here. So this is Doodle. And then this is going to be, what did I say the other one was? Blushing. And that's pretty too. Nice gel. Just got that everywhere. So that one's here on the side. Pretty. I'm happy to have them. Just wanted to refresh some of my liners, like these shades. So I figured, you know what, points is the time to do that kind of stuff. So that's what I got there. So I'm excited about everything. There's nothing, I mean, the primer, since I did get it in my PR, not overly excited. I have not even tried it yet for my PR box. I haven't really gotten into much of anything. So I'll share this one because the other one I think I did open after the fact and put it on my hand just to see what I thought. But that is my Boxycharm by Ipsy with the Beauty Boost. Beauty Boost is $15 plus tax. And you get at least a $45, $49 value if I'm not mistaken. This is $30 a month. 5 full-size beauty products. We get to customize 3 of the products in the box each month. So at least you can, you know, pick 3 items that you want that maybe you're looking forward to trying. So, you know, I'm a sucker for Ipsy and Boxycharm. I do miss my Boxy base and premium and luxe. I loved those boxes. And I still did get the Glam Bag Plus, I think, and my Ipsy Glam Bag. So I got them all at one point, but I do miss them solely by themselves. Getting my little black boxes or my big black boxes. I did love that. This also has a $1.99 shipping and handling fee each subscription, whether it be this or the bags or, you know, or Icon Box. Everybody pays $1.99 shipping and handling, and I also pay tax in my state. So, you know, it can get to be kind of expensive, but these products are definitely worth it for this box for $30. So I don't think you can beat it. You know, the Glow Respiratory product is $45. So that pays for the box right in itself. Let me know if you get Boxycharm by Ipsy. Do you get the Beauty Boost? If you do, I would love to know. Tell me some of the things you chose. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.